name is Caroline Sanker, and I am a French teacher in Oshawa, Ontario, and this year I have a grade 2-3 split. I put a lot of time into my studies right from the get-go. In high school, I used to picture myself in front of a group of young kids teaching. It was me in front of the classroom, and I put that picture in my head. And I worked very hard to get to that picture. That picture was my ultimate dream. In high school, I worked hard, and right after high school, I went into university. And in university, I made sure to always meet with my guidance counselor at the beginning of every semester. And right from the get-go, I took all the mandatory courses. Now, in university, my old principal called me out of the blue and offered me a full-time position as a kindergarten teacher. I could not pass on that opportunity, so I took it. And I always had a good schedule at university. So on my days off, I would teach full-time. And when I had to go back to university, which was twice a week, I would always get a supply teacher to come into my class. So that being said, I used to go to school full days, university life, for 2 days a week. And the other 3, I used to teach full-time. Absolutely. It was crazy hard, but I would do it again in a heartbeat. In high school, I sacrificed a lot of time with my friends. My studies came first. I had a job at night, and I used to tutor and babysit kids on the side as well. So my schedule was pretty hectic. I remember friends used to call me and ask me to go out with them, and unfortunately, a lot of the times I had to decline, not because I wanted to, but because I knew it was the right thing that I had to do at that specific time. Yes, it was hard, but again, nobody could take that dream away from me. I had it in my head, and I made sure that everything I did was to work towards that goal. Now, that does not mean that I did not go out, because I did, but deep down in my head, I had to sacrifice a lot, and I had to prioritize my studies and my work ethics. It's hard, especially in the 21st century. It's hard, but know that deep down inside, whatever you want to achieve for yourself, you can do, and only you can reach that dream. Whatever you have in your head, you can reach. You can get to that goal. It's a matter if you want it enough. If you want it enough, you will make sure that everything you do will benefit your dream. You will get to that point. Don't let anybody take that dream away from you. Set that goal in your head and work towards it. You and only you will achieve that dream.